Amid disagreements in Punjab Congress that have dragged on for months, the Congress party's high command is learned to have asked Chief Minister Amarinder Singh to resign to facilitate the election of a new leader. Sources speaking to media said Amarinder Singh spoke to Congress President Sonia Gandhi this morning and told her he is being humiliated and will instead resign from the party. These developments took place ahead of a meeting of the Congress Legislative Party in Punjab on Saturday evening. The CLP meeting is being held in the wake of a fresh letter by a section of the MLAs. The Income Tax Department said in a statement today that actor Sonu Sood has evaded taxes of over Rs 20 crores. This after the IT department officials visited his Mumbai home for 3 days in a row for a search. The tax department said Mr. Sood's non-profit also raised Rs 2.1 crores from overseas donors using a crowdfunding platform in violation of the law, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, that governs such transactions. During the course of search at the premises of the actor and his associates, incriminating evidences pertaining to tax evasion were found. The main modus operandi followed by the actor had been to route his unaccounted income in the form of bogus unsecured loans from many bogus entities, the tax department said in a statement. Adar Poonawalla, the Chief Executive Officer of Serum Institute of India, said in a media interview that the Covovax vaccine trials for children were running smoothly. He said that shots for children may be out by January-February 2022 if all goes well. Several volunteers have been given the shots and the trial is running smoothly. A review will be taken by the end of the year, he said at a media conference held on Friday. Reports say Sourav Ganguly-led BCCI might ask Anil Kumble to apply for the post of head coach of the Indian team along with VVS Lakshman once Ravi Shastri finishes his term after the T20 World Cup. Kumble was the coach of the Indian team for a year between 2016-17 when the Cricket Advisory Committee, headed by Sachin Tendulkar, Lakshman and Ganguly, had appointed him, replacing Shastri. However, a bit of fallout with captain Virat Kohli led to Kumble tendering his resignation after the Champions Trophy final defeat against Pakistan. France said late Friday it was immediately recalling its ambassadors to the US and Australia after Australia scrapped a big French conventional submarine purchase in favor of nuclear subs built with US technology. Foreign Minister Jean-Yves Le Drian said in a written statement that the French decision is justified by the exceptional seriousness of the announcements made by Australia and the United States. He said Wednesday's announcement of Australia's submarine deal with the US is unacceptable behavior between allies and partners. The French President Emmanuel Macron has not yet commented on the issue.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.